Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. Today we're going to do a special collab announcement. This is my first collab, so I'm super excited about it. And this is going to be an amazing collab. We have 27 creators all together. And this is going to be a big one. This is called the Holiday Mashup. And this has been... everybody's creativity has been amazing and everybody's challenges are so amazing. So we'll go ahead and go in order. I'm going to have this out just to kind of cheat because there are so many of us. This is the dashboard that you will get with the collab. And don't mind me recycling paper, okay? So this first one here is from Joe at Aries Journey SA. Adorable. So the premise of this collab was to take two holidays or whatever, like two holiday icons, and mash them together. And this next one is from Budgeting with Kim, and just cute little sugar skulls and Valentine's Day. Awesome. I love it. I haven't quite decided how I'm going to do this one yet. I'm thinking a couple of the other creators are going to put it all in a binder, and I think that, or I mean, like, not cut them all out, but I haven't decided. If I can get this figured out by Friday, we'll put it in our Friday video, but if not, then it'll be the following week. This one is from me. We have a cute little jack-o'-lantern and a tooth fairy, the 4th of July, a little rabbit and a leprechaun. And you got your skeleton and like a cupid. So cute. Definitely we had to use some AI for these, but I think they turned out amazing. The Miss Champion 1. This is hers. And we have and that's Pam from the Miss Champion 1. We have Anna from Anna Banana Budgets. And we have Bonnie from Bonfire Budgets. And a lot of these are just going to be so awesome and so cute. So we didn't have anything specific on what kind of challenges we had to make. We could make whatever we wanted. And this is from Amy by Nature. So you'll see like a lot of icons of pre-filled out numbers. So it's, you do it how you want to do it. This is from Deborah at Boss Bay Budgets. See, there's so many great challenges that I haven't figured out how I want to do it yet. I'm definitely going to use the prop coins that comes with the challenge. I will show you those in a minute as well. And this one is from On at Craft and Budget with On. And this next one is Panda from Pandyland. Cute. I love this. I cannot wait to do this challenge. I really want to do it like right now. This is from Greta at Agape Book Club. I need more money so I can do them all. And next we have Beth at Cat Lady Budgets. She did submit 2. Okay. So we have the first one. And these are her second ones. I just love everybody's creativity. And this is Veronica at Weekly Budgets Co. I just cannot wait to do all these. It's going to be amazing. This is from Vicky at Pink Plum Budgeting. And all the creators will be linked down below. So please, please, please go and subscribe to their channel. Watch a couple of videos. So that way YouTube doesn't think that there's just a bunch of bots that are subscribing to everybody's channels. This is from Camilla at Budget with Camilla. Because unfortunately I did hear that happened to a couple creators over the last week or so. And this one is from Cheyenne at Simply Made. And this one is Carmen at Simply My Journey. She also submitted 2. So we have a cute little Chucky Santa. And then our Santa and our, what is that? Headless Horseman? Jack-o'-lantern Horseman? I don't know. Love it. Still cute. And then we have Susan at Windmill Ridge Budget. She submitted a few. So these are for St. Patrick's Day. Oh my goodness. And these are hers as well. And then we have the Thanksgiving and Santa. And these, you could actually make these into like a DIY scratch off too, if you wanted to. Oh, that's Greta's. Again, I had to reprint it because I didn't print it in cardstock the first time. And this one is from Brittany at Budgeting with a Ginger. And this one is from Courtney at the Millennial Saver. She did say that her file is fixed with the little missing circles. And then we have Jamie at Charm and Budgets. Love it. And Tara at Lifted Up and Living. So we got a nice little scratcher, roll and save, and some minis, tinies. And then we have Laura at Laura Bell Creations. She also submitted 2. We could do these as DIY scratchers as well. And this is the other one from Laura at Laura Bell Creations. And then we have Miss Eva at Budget Your Life. Cute. And then we have Miss Lacey at Blue Kiwi Budgets. And then Miss Becca at Becca Budget 777. I love that. That's cute. Oh, sorry if I bumped the camera. And then we have Miss Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. Awesome. So then you will also be able to get some prop coins. I already laminated these. I just haven't cut them out yet. So you'll get a sheet of 75 cents and $1. I printed out a couple of these. And then you also have the 50 cents or 25 cents and 50 cents. I printed out a few of those because I'm going to do somewhere between $10 and $30 depending on our budget. But yeah, I'm not quite sure how we're going to do it yet, but that is exciting. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so that is the holiday mashup collaboration. I am super excited to get that started. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.